Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to share location in WhatsApp. To share your location in WhatsApp, open up the WhatsApp application first on your device. Now, from the chat screen, select the chat where you want to share your location. Now, once you open up one of the conversation thread, go to the bottom of the screen and tap the plus icon at the bottom left. In the expanded menu, click on Location. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Share Live Location. You'll be asked to choose how long to share your location for. You can choose between 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. After choosing the time, you can also add a caption in the caption text box if needed. Now click on the Send button that looks like an airplane icon at the bottom right, and then this will help you share your location with your friend or family member. Now your family or friend can easily find you or navigate to your spot with just one tap. This is perfect for meetups, safety, or travel coordination. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.